No, we have not. Even today also I spoke to the KPCC president. We didn't get any kind of complaint, and not in the police station also there is no FIR lodged against him.
Madam, one transgender gave a complaint to you.
To me, no, I didn't get any complaint.
Madam, the victim has great acquaintance with leader of the opposition. He's a neighbor and close family friend. So he was told about this issue years before, I was told. So
No, but we should get some official complaint. Yes, everybody, CLP leader also responded on this issue. So I don't have to say anything because that chapter 2 days before is over. Since the party didn't get any complaint, he has not been removed, he has resigned.
was that the decision by party? He says he resigned on his own grounds.
Look, already he said what he has said. And I think this chapter is over because he has resigned from the Youth Congress. And I will say one thing, which is very, very clearly I want to say. So far to the party, no complaint has come from any person, any woman, or any family against Rahul. From the party, we didn't receive any complaint. Secondly, we came to know from various media where some people are complaining. So Rahul said it very clearly what he has said, and he has resigned from the Youth Congress. So now today also I saw in one newspaper there is a news that there will be a committee set up, but since we didn't get any complaint from any side, how we can do anything? It is not a legal battle. It is not a complaint against the battle which we are doing. It is on a moral ground what Rahul has decided and he has done. And in Congress always stood with the morality, and we stood by that. And I will ask now the other parties, they should also do the same way.
Ma'am, so yes, not only you demanded Mr. Mukesh resignation when he was receiving similar complaints from other ladies.
Yes, they are still in the party. They are still MLAs. They are still ministers.
Congress will follow the same footsteps.
No, we will not. That is why Rahul Mangotam has already resigned.
But he is still an
The
MLA.
opposition parties are demanding the resignation.
Look, opposition party may say a lot of things. I will ask the opposition party to look into their party matters first, and then tell about Congress.
Is it
Sorry.
morally okay to continue in MLA's position? Madam, do you think so?
He's an elected representative.